Hello friends, today we are going to cover up the topic of time for class 4 and class 5. As you can see, this is the clock and it has three hands. One is hour hand, one is minute hand, and another one, the thinnest one, is your second hand. Fine. So more or less we use maximum times only two hands. The smallest one is your hour hand and the other one is minute hand. It has the counting from 1 to 12. There are 12 hours that we can see, and in 1 year there are 12 months. In 1 year there are 365 days. 1 week has 7 days and 1 day has 24 hours. 1 hour 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. All these things you have already learned during your third class, in your previous class. Now if you see this, the position of hour hand and the minute hand show us the time. Like in this clock, the time is, see, this is at 7 and this is at 4. So it is 7, then 5, 10, 15 and 20. This is 7:20. This is the time, and depending on the morning and evening, we can put AM or PM. If from midnight to 12 noon it is AM, from 12 noon to midnight it is PM. Fine. Accordingly you will have to see. Now if I say 12 to 1, this has 5 separations in between it. So if this second hand, green colored, is moving from 12 to 1, it is the 5 seconds. Now you have to tell what will be the time after 10 seconds, where this will be. So it will be 5, 10. So it will go on 2. After 35 seconds it will go at 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So here it will go after 35 seconds. And after, you know that 1 minute has 60 seconds. So after 60 seconds it will come again on the 12. So accordingly you will have to check where your second hand will be after a particular gap. Now let us check out an exercise. Look at the activities in the table and take whether one of each take 1 second or more than 1 second. Blinking of your eyes, it is 1 second. Writing your name once, more than 1 second. Sneezing, 1 second. Standing up and sitting down once, more than 1 second. Clapping your hand, 1 second. Now draw the missing second hand on the given clocks. So this is at 12. Now after 15 seconds it will be at 3. As you can say, 5, 10, 15. After 25 seconds it will be 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. It will be at 5. Fine. So after 45 seconds, so this 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So it will be at 9. So you will have to keep on counting accordingly. And if you say from moving 12 to 6, there are 30 seconds. And accordingly you can calculate faster. Now let us take up few conversions. As you know, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Fine. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Fine. So these are the few things that you will have to keep in mind while doing the conversion. Let's take up the first question now. What is the first question? Convert the following into minutes. We have 1 hour and 30 minutes. Fine. So you can see 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So it will be 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 minutes. Fine. This is A part. Let's take up one more. B. 2 hour 10 minutes. So this is already in minutes. No need to convert it. This is in hour. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 2 hours equal to 2 multiplied by 60 equal to 120 minutes plus this 10. So it will be 130 minutes. So what we are doing? We are just changing the hours into minutes and then adding the rest of the minutes which are already been given. Fine. Now same way, second question. Convert the following into the seconds. We have to convert in seconds. We can see 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So let's take up question number E. 9 minute 17 second. Fine. So 9 minute multiplied by 60, which is 540 seconds. Now how much seconds are more? 17. So we will add into that. So it will be 557 seconds. Fine. So this way, earlier here we are converting, in the last question we were converting hour into minutes. Here we are converting minutes into seconds. The same way, 1 minute equal to 1 minute is equal to 60 second. So 9 minute will be 9 multiplied by 60 is equal to 540 seconds. This way you have to do it. Fine. So simple conversion. Now question number 3. Convert the following. Let's take up A. 120 minutes into hour. Fine. So now you know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Fine. So 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 hour. Fine. So that means 120 divided by 60. So if you divide it, what you will get? 120 by 60 to the. So it is, answer is 2 hours. So it is just the opposite of the thing that we have done earlier. 120 minutes into hour. So it will be 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60. So you will have to divide it by 60. Next is 720 seconds into minute. So 1 minute is equal to 60 second and 1 second equal to 1 upon 60 minute. So that means 720 divided by 60. What you will get? 120 minutes. Fine.